Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we are diving deep to bring you the 5 best apps for calling on Android. A look at the top rated apps that offer excellent features and call quality. We'll break down the essentials of each contender to help you decide on your go-to calling app. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Signal Private Messenger. This app, with a strong rating of 4.5 stars from over 2 million reviews, is a free, easy to use messenger designed with user privacy at its core. It's built on strong end-to-end encryption to keep your communication completely private. Signal stands out for a few key features. Built for privacy, everything you send and receive is end-to-end encrypted. Disappearing messages, this optional feature helps keep your message history tidy. Free voice and video calls, you can call friends or groups from anywhere using the app. Let's quickly explore the app's clean interface. When you first open Signal, you land on the Home Chat menu, where you'll see all your ongoing conversations. Tapping the calls option at the allows you to quickly view your call history and start a new encrypted call. The stories option is where you can share images or videos that disappear after 24 hours. Up in the corner, the 3 dots icon opens a sub-menu for various settings and options, and right next to that, tapping your profile icon takes you directly to your main profile and account settings. The design is minimal and intuitive, focusing on easy access to secure communication. At number 4 on our list, we have Google Meet. This is Google's dedicated, high-quality video calling app for everyone, whether you're connecting with friends or collaborating with a team. With a 4.4 rating from over 11 million reviews on the Play Store, it's a highly trusted tool. Here are 3 standout features that make Google Meet exceptional. Video calls and meetings. It allows you to easily jump into or schedule secure video calls with colleagues or family. Meet anywhere. You can connect from your phone, tablet, or desktop, making it truly versatile. Fun with effects. Express yourself with a range of backgrounds, filters, and reactions to keep meetings engaging. Now let's take a quick look at the app's clean user interface. Starting on the home menu, you see your upcoming scheduled meetings at a glance. Tapping the new option lets you instantly start a meeting or schedule one for later. Moving to the profile icon in the corner gives you access to your account and settings. The code option is straightforward, letting you join any meeting just by entering its code. Finally, the 3 lines icon typically opens a side menu with links to your contacts, help information, and other core app features. At number 3 on our list is Telegram. This is a pure instant messaging app known for being simple, fast, and secure. It's one of the top 5 most downloaded apps in the world. On the Play Store, it holds a 3.4 star rating from over 15 million reviews. Let's look at 3 features that make it a standout. First, Telegram is simple, reliable, and perfectly synced across all your devices. Powerful, there are virtually no limits on the size of your group chats and video calls. Secure, all of your chats and calls are protected with strong multiple layer encryption. Now let's take a quick walk through the clean and intuitive user interface. Opening the app lands you on the home conversation chat menu, where you can see all your active conversations and groups. Tapping the camera icon immediately opens your camera, letting you quickly capture and share a moment right into a chat. The pencil icon in the corner is where you start a new conversation, group, or secret chat. We can tap the search icon up top to find specific contacts, messages, or channels across the entire app. Finally, clicking on the 3 lines icon takes you to your settings, where you can adjust your privacy, notifications, and customize the app's appearance. At number 2 on our list, we have Messenger, a free messaging app that helps you connect with anyone, anywhere. With a strong 4.4-star rating and over 103 million reviews, Messenger is designed to keep you in touch with friends and family, help you explore your interests, build your community, and share your vibe beyond just words. Here are three standout features. Useful, the app allows you to chat and call anyone, anywhere without needing a phone number, connecting across Facebook and Messenger. Expressive, you can bring your vibe to your chats by tapping into more ways to express yourself with animated stickers, GIFs, and reactions. Social, it lets you hang out anytime, anywhere by capturing everyday moments and sharing quick 24-hour updates on stories and notes. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface. As we open the app, the main chat menu is where you'll find all your current conversations. Tapping the stories option lets you view those 24-hour photo and video updates from your contacts. The notifications tab is crucial for quickly seeing message alerts, reactions, and community updates. Moving to the menu option gives you access to your settings, profile, and other advanced tools like creating shared albums. Finally, the search bar at the top allows you to instantly find friends, specific chats, or even join new communities. At number 1 on our list, we have WhatsApp Messenger. This app from Meta is a free messaging and video calling app, and it's trusted by over 2 billion people worldwide. With a strong 4.4-star rating based on over 208 million reviews, WhatsApp's main purpose is to keep you easily and reliably connected with friends and family. Here are a few of its standout features: simple, reliable, and private. The app is designed for easy and secure communication. Message privately with end-to-end encryption. Your personal messages and calls are secure, so only you and the recipient can read or listen to them. Make calls across the world. Enjoy high-quality, secure voice and video calls with groups of up to 32 people for free. Now let's take a quick look at the app's clean user interface. After opening the app, the main chat menu is the first thing you see, listing all your current conversations. Tapping on the updates option takes you to a screen where you can view disappearing status posts, which are similar to stories, and also see your contacts channels. Next, the communities option lets you organize related groups under a single umbrella for easier management. Shifting over to the calls option shows your full call history and lets you initiate new voice or video calls. Finally, that little plus icon is your quick button to start a brand new chat with any of your contacts. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.